Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this live catch wire cage mousetrap. This is a very simple design, and variations on this style trap have been around a long time. I've already featured this trap. It's an antique dome-shaped wire trap. It has a funnel on top. These wire mousetraps were made in France and they were very popular. They were advertised heavily in hardware store catalogs in the late 1800s and early 1900s. Recently, I've been recreating traps out of a book written in 1881, and the wire funnel is one of the many mousetraps listed in the pages. The way these style traps work is simple. You put bait in the cage, the mice come along, they want to get the bait, they go down in the funnel. Our finger puppet's a little big, but they drop down in there, then they're caught. They can't get out through that wire funnel. I'm really curious if this trap will work. Let's take out our finger puppet, then we'll go test it out with our pet mice, see if they go in there and get caught. Then we'll go test it out with wild mice in the barn. For this test, we'll use one of the wild mice we caught in our bowl of oil mousetrap. See if he goes in there. These wild mice are way more crazy than the pet store mice. Our wire funnel mousetrap worked. We did catch one, but as you can see, the wire is too big, he can crawl right out. So this does not work for small house mice. Let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get some larger deer mice. Good morning. One of my helpers in his Spider-Man jammies wanted to come help me check the traps, and we caught 2 mice. They're larger deer mice. As we know, smaller mice can squeeze through the wire, but these large mice wanted to get the bait, climbed down in the funnel, and got caught. Since this is a live catch trap, what should we do with him, Carson?
Let them go.
Let them go. So he's going to pull the top wires over and lift off the cage. The mice are now free. They don't know what to do. There we go. So this trap can work on larger mice, but smaller mice can get out. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.